How to fix IDM in Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix IDM in Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to check the IDM integration status in your Chrome. For that, open up Chrome, and once you have opened it, navigate to top right corner. There is this small extension icon, click on it. Then go to Manage Extensions. Once you're here, make sure you have enabled this IDM extension right here. If it is disabled, enable it by toggling the switch. If it is missing, you can reinstall it. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for IDM extension, and then you can add or reinstall it. If that still does not help you, then you can clear Chrome cache and cookies. Sometimes cache issues can interfere with IDM integration. So for that, you have to go to the three dot icon at the top right, and here go to delete browsing data, and here you have to choose the case, image and file, and you can also clear the browsing histories and cookies and other sites. At the top you can choose the time range, and once done, click on delete data. After that, refresh your Chrome and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, ensure that your Chrome is up to date. So in order to check that, again you have to go to the settings, and once you're on the settings, click on about Chrome. And here make sure that your Chrome is up to date. Here it is checking for any updates. If any update is available, it will be installed. And here it says Chrome is up to date. So make sure your Chrome is up to date to their latest version. If this still does not help you, then try to disable some conflicting extensions. Again, go to your extension page and click on Manage Extensions. Here, if you have added any other extension, you can simply disable the extension and only enable this IDM and see if it works. And if this still does not help you, now again go to the three dot at the top right, then go to the settings. Here navigate to the privacy and security from the menu bar on your left hand side, and here go to site settings, scroll down, and then go to pop-ups and redirects. Ensure that you have allowed pop-ups and redirects for the website where you are trying to download. And these are some of the ways that will help you if your IDM is not working in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.